Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Bitlocker recovery key. So here we have your Bitlocker recovery. So it's going to say enter the recovery key for this drive, and then you'll be able to have this. You have to enter 48-digit recovery key to unlock this drive. So basically all you have to do is actually sign into your Microsoft account and go to your settings, devices, and then just select the device. And then here you have your Bitlocker data protection. So here just manage your recovery keys. So I don't have one, as you can see right here, but this is how it would look like right here. So here you will have your key ID and you will have your recovery ID, which you can copy, and then you will have to place it here. So you have to match this key right here with this key ID right here, so that you will have to enter the recovery key, which will be successful. And it's just that simple. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.